Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe, and I'd like to welcome you all back to Learn to Like. Now, if you're new to the channel, you're probably wondering what the heck that is. Well, the thing about it is what I do like, the foods I eat and the foods I don't eat are super unbalanced, leaning heavily on the foods that I don't eat. But I really am wanting to expand my palate and get my whole foodie life on. And in order to do that, I have to be able to look at a menu and not avoid a food because it has onion or not garlic, but like avocado or guacamole and things like that that I hate. So having said that, today I'm going to be learning to like carrots. Now you're probably wondering why she got them cut up like that. Well, Miss Tabitha Brown, my favorite not YouTube, but like Instagram, Facebook-ish personality. I really love her. She's just, I don't know, she just make you feel all warm and just like love inside, right? Well, she made 100 years ago, right, these carrots that were like bacon. You probably like, oh, Samantha, if it really tastes like bacon, are you cheating? Because it's not really then a carrot. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the Tabitha Brown recipe for the carrot bacon, and hopefully I really love it. But then at the end of the episode, I'm going to just bite into a carrot and hope that I love it. Here's a little factoid now though, because in roast, right, when you're making a roast, you put potatoes and the onions and the carrots in it. When I have roast, I do eat the carrots in the roast, and I really don't know what that is. Like, I don't hate carrots in soup, but like in their, I don't know, naturally occurring state, I hate them. So I hope that made sense, but whatever. Without any further ado, we're gonna get right into it. So she didn't necessarily have like measurements and stuff like that, and that's really how I cook. I don't really measure stuff when I'm like cooking for my family and stuff. But she came in with some liquid smoke. Wow, that makes a lot of sense to me, because what? Bacon has that like you know, wooziness to it. Garlic powder. She like a lot of garlic powder because that's her business, and so I'm gonna do it in my mind how I feel like she would do it. And then a little onion powder. She said some smoked paprika. Boop, get in there. I don't know, I put that much. I put a lot of smoked paprika. I don't know if she really did it like that. Some pepper. I didn't hear her say salt, but my like natural inclination is to put salt. And here's the thing, I don't necessarily like maple syrup, and really the only kind of syrup I like outside of like the IHOP syrup or the syrup, if you live in like Houston and come to the Sugar Land area, there's this restaurant in town center called Jupiter's. Oh, listen, now I do love their syrup, but most places I don't like their syrup, so I'm gonna use the syrup I like. It's not quite maple, but you know, to give you that I don't know, that bacony feel, right? So I made my little concoction like she did, like that, as she says. And I'm gonna just put a few pieces in here and let it set for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put them in the air fryer. So give me a sec, let's get them all marinated. And I'm really excited. I'm hoping so badly that I like this, right? We'll see how it goes though. Okay guys, so it's been sitting in the little marinade for like 2 minutes, the carrots have. So I'm gonna just put them into the air fryer. And here's the thing, I've had this thing forever. I never use it though. So this is actually my first time using the air fryer. So, you know, let's see. I don't know whether I should have sprayed it or not. I did put down a little piece of parchment paper because I didn't want it to stick or whatever like that. So let's just start with that and see how it goes. So she said put it in there at 380 for 5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Go down. Oh wait, oops, temp. There you go, here we go, here we go. Oh, she don't wanna go to 380? Okay, so this one is like, no honey, 375. So we're gonna do 375, and we're gonna do it for 5 minutes. Well, let's do it for 6 minutes to split the difference, I guess, because of the temperature change. And then we'll see if it's crispy, then I'll taste it. If it's not, then I'll let it go a little more. Okay y'all, so listen. Somehow I managed to burn my bacon. But this piece is like okay-ish, so we're gonna try it. And I'm not gonna psych myself out. I'm just gonna eat it right now. So go. Okay, so listen. This definitely don't taste like a carrot to me. I have some more going too. I wish I had put a little bit less onion powder and a little bit less garlic. But this could be a substitute. So now, I know what you're thinking. You like Samantha, girl. This good. I'm eating this baconator. I hate I burnt it because I definitely can taste that char. But hopefully this one come out better. But this here, as you can see, is just a carrot. So I'm gonna follow up that goodness with this. I'm gonna just go. I know I just made that ridiculous sound and face. I don't hate it, but I wouldn't just be eating no carrots. You feel me? Maybe with some dip or something like that. I don't know, whatever to that. Maybe it's the texture. I don't really know. I'll tell you what's saving it though, because I still have flavor in my mouth from when I was eating the carrot bacon. So I'm like, tastes kind of good. It's got like a little sweetness to it. Y'all know what carrots taste like. It's probably just me who don't like these things, but did I learn to like them? Not really. I liked the carrot bacon. I definitely know what I would do to adjust it, and I would definitely make this again and I would eat this. Now, will it substitute for the swine? I think not. But like, I'm gonna have a little salad tonight from my garden. I went out, we got the little romaine, brought it in, so I'm gonna have a little salad with my fresh picked romaine lettuce. And so I would sprinkle a little bit of this little carrot bacon on there. I think that would give it a nice little pick me up. I can't snap either. Y'all hear that? Lord bless the child. So anyway, the bottom line is, did I learn to like carrots? Not really, but do I like the carrot bacon? Yep. So high five to you, Tab, and sorry to you, Lord. I don't love your creation. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like it, comment, tell me what kinds of things you do to jazz up your carrots, but that leave them in a carrot state. Why am I always looking up to the sky, child? I don't even know. But anyhow, I'll catch y'all next time.